back to the channel. Here's your host Rob with I-25 Kia. Today I'm on my mountain trip. So we're in Breckenridge, Colorado with my homies. We're gonna go on a skate trip. We got the aloe vera.
Are you all ready to go?
Got the whole squad of skateboards, got the 2019 Sorento, got my friend Spencer, got my friend Carlos, got myself. Let's do this. Somebody hit it.
Hit it?
We have left Frisco. Now we're back in the Sorento with the ventilated seats and we're cooling off. So we're gonna be traveling 33 miles to the next skate park, which is Eagle. We also picked up another one of our homies, Colin's in the back, killing it. Gave us all the clips. Yeah. Now next stop, Eagle. Alright boys, day 2. We're gonna go to Leadville, which is one of the highest skate parks in altitude in North America. And we're gonna sweat a whole bunch and probably get more sunburned. So join along for the amazing drive. Tell me about this vehicle.
It is very comfortable. And that's pretty much all I have because I don't know any features about this car.
Tell me about yourself.
Myself. What do you want to know?
Everything.
What do you mean everything? Like,
who are you?
Who am I? I'm a Latino.
Good enough. Turn the camera off. All right. So we're currently waiting out the storm in the nice Sorento. Very comfortable. What do you guys think of this park?
I love it.
It's dope.
Love it too. Oh, now I can see you, Carlos. You're so dark.
I know, I'm just so brown, dude.
You just blend it.
And I'm wearing all black, so that makes it even worse.
Get a little bit of the Pano sunroof.
Ooh. Go all the way. Yeah.
It's coming.
There we go.
Nice.
Yeah, there's
now
the
we can experience the rain and all it has to offer. Oh, the back door's open.
Yeah.
Never mind.
Do you want me to close it?
No, that's fine. just like that, our trip's over. We're gonna be heading back home. Carlos, what was your favorite skate park?
Frisco.
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 I think my favorite park was Leadville, even though it was at 10,077 feet.
Even though we got rained on.
And we got rained on. But still, great trip. What was your favorite park, Spencer?
Eagle.
Eagle.
Yeah, that was fun.
Yeah, what was your favorite skate park that we skated?
Oh, probably Leadville. Leadville is definitely my
That
favorite.
was my pick too.
Kind of hard to breathe up there, but
Jason, what was your favorite skate park?
Edwards.
Edwards. We're getting a good mixed bag of
Everything
reviews.
nice and spread out.
Yeah.
It's as roomy as this van is.
Man, my friends are great. So what's super ironic is my friend brought a Kia from I-25 Kia, and it's a Kia Sedona. Tell me about this car, John.
oh, Kia Sedona. I don't know, plenty of room. Great for the family. Great for road trips like this with all the guys going up on a skateboard trip up to Breckenridge, up in the mountains, and super comfortable. But I got a ride in your car, and I gotta say I'm a little bit jealous. Way more features. Not to say that this isn't bad. I mean, it's great.
Yeah, it's a Kia.
It's a Kia. Can't beat it.
How many skateboards do you think you can fit in the back?
Oh God, 50?
It's pretty accurate.
Yeah, love it, man.
Carlos, we gotta go.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Dude, yeah.
So as always, thank you for tuning in. If you have any questions about any of the Kia vehicles, including the Kia Sedona, the Kia Sorento, go talk to the car experts at I-25 Kia. Check back soon, like and subscribe, and bye.